Hey guys, welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing something special, something I've never done before. We're going to be doing Louisiana ya pasta. This is going to be good. Stick around. Alright you guys, welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. Right now we got a whole stick of butter in this pan, melting. And just on the other side of the camera here, you ain't seen it yet. I mean, you all seen noodles getting boiled, but I got some water coming up to boil. Okay? So, with that being said, what we're making today is Louisiana crawfish ya pasta. Sorry I meant to say that in the beginning. Never done this before, okay? So here's what the ingredients calls for. It calls for 3/4 or 12-ounce package of egg noodles. Sorry, there we go. Alright, and then it calls for a half a cup of butter, which we're melting in here now, which is a whole stick of butter. Alright, then we got some onion, some green pepper, some fresh parsley chopped up, some green onions, all that was chopped up. Then we're also going to use some minced garlic, which all I have is this on hand. I forgot to get some garlic. And we're also going to be using 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. This is Heavy Made Products, Amazing Cajun. That's what we're going to be using for that. We're also going to be using about 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And we're going to be also using about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add some freshly sliced mushrooms. Alright. And the crawfish we're using today, guys, is, I got it shipped in a while back. I kept it in my deep freezer for this recipe. But it's from the Louisiana Crawfish Company. And we're going to be using crawfish tails right here. Okay. Got it from Louisiana Crawfish Company. And that's what we're going to be using today for our crawfish tails. Alright, so straight out of Louisiana. Okay. So with that being said, we got this butter coming down here. I'm going to turn this up just a tad. And let that go. Alright, now we're going to add in our chopped onion here. Alright, let's go ahead and get that out of the way here. We're going to add in our chopped onion to this. And we're also going to be adding in our green pepper, garlic, and parsley. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get that kind of in there, like so. Alright, let me get we're just going to kind of get the green peppers in there like that. Alright, and then green onions want to move on here. Alright, now we're going to add our fresh parsley into that. Alright, like so. Alright, we'll set that there. Alright, we're just going to kind of move this around here. Alright, what we're shooting for here, guys, is... Oh, I forgot one thing, guys. I forgot one thing, the garlic. Got to add a little garlic in here. Alright, I forgot. So we're just going to add a little bit of garlic there. There, that'll work. 1 clove of garlic. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to stir this until the onions are soft and turn translucent, so about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add our crawfish tails and our Cajun seasoning, okay? I'll bring you back. Welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. We got our onions to be translucent for about 5 minutes, and we're getting ready to add in our Louisiana crawfish into our mix here. Now, there we go. Sorry about the voiceover, my mic. Anyways, we're getting our crawfish in there now. Add this in there together and kind of get a nice little mix. So we're also going to add our 2 tablespoons of Amazing Cajun seasoning in there, and we're going to let that come to a simmer about 5 more minutes. We'll bring it right back. Alright guys, welcome back. We've been about 5 minutes, got this to a nice simmer. Smells wonderful. The rest of the family doesn't think so, but it smells wonderful to me. Alright, so now, that being said, we're going to pour in our heavy cream. So the half a cup of heavy cream, which we added in there. Alright, we're also going to add a half a cup of cheddar cheese, and we're going to stir it till melted. So we're going to add in a half a cup of cheddar cheese like that. And now we're just going to kind of stir this in until it's melted. Now I've already got the pasta off, and it's already in my strainer over here. And so I'll leave the link to this recipe, where I found this recipe at, in the description box. I'll also leave a link to Heaven Made Products for their amazing Cajun, and I'll also leave a link in the description box for the Louisiana Crawfish Company. Also, this was I overnighted this to get this here, so it's very tasty. Alright guys, I'm going to let this go for a few minutes, let this melt, and I'll bring you back when we get it all joined together. Alright guys, welcome back. Got our pasta here. Alright. Now we're going to get our, look at that. Alright. Now we're going to take this, we're just going to pour that on in there with our noodles here. I used medium egg noodles, guys. That's what I used. Alright. So there. Now we're just going to kind of mix this all together here. I think I used a little bit too many noodles this time around, guys. I am going to sprinkle in just a little bit of that for color. There we go. Just to kind of add some pop to it. Smells good. See if you can get a good shot of that. There you go. Smells good. Alright guys, we're going to let this kind of sit for a minute or so and let these flavors kind of combine, and when we come back we'll have it plated up. Time for taste test. See you then. Alright guys, welcome back. 1984 barbecue. Hopefully you guys can see that. Man, that looks good. Okay, we're going to do a little review of what we did. We just had 1 pound of crawfish tails from the Louisiana Crawfish Company. We added some onions, some green pepper, some fresh parsley, just 1 stick of butter. We put in a skillet, got the butter melted down, then we added the onions, the green peppers, the parsley, so it got translucent for about 5 minutes. Then we added the crawfish tails and our seasoning, which was amazing Cajun from Heaven Made Products. Got that down to 5 minutes with the simmer, and then while we was off camera, we was doing the noodles. We want to do it to al dente, just about al dente, and then pull them off, and then when you mix it all together, it'll soften them the rest of the way. And I topped it with a little bit of green onion, and this just smells amazing. Alright, look at that guys, it just smells amazing. So let's get a bite of this and see what we did here. Okay, got some crawfish here. We got a little bit of that green onion, if I can. Yeah. Alright, there's a little bite there guys. Okay, that's good. That is good. The spice of the crawfish, right there it is. Okay. So initially when I took the bite, I didn't feel like I had enough spice in it, but at the end it kind of rolled on the back of my tongue down my throat, and we got a nice little Cajun spice to it. If you want a little spicier, add a little more Cajun spice to it. Other than that, I think this is a success, guys. I'm going to definitely try to do this again in the future. Definitely going to try to do crawfish something in the future. I want to do a crawfish bowl, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by today. If you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing to me? Other than that, guys, God bless you all. Have a good day. See you on the next one.